Creative Trades here, and today we're going to take a look at the infamous zipper merge, which causes so much anxiety, so much stress, so much anger from people waiting their turn in line patiently just to be cut off by somebody zooming down the open lane, trying to cut in at the last moment and take their pride, their joy, their lane away from them. So in America, the zipper merge is totally messed up. In construction zones, you'll see it all the time. They're taking it down to one lane from two, and they have cones set up to merge into one lane. The Department of Transportation says that you need to zipper merge, which means you fill up both lanes and you take turns alternating merging at the merge point, which is right here. Now, why is this such a problem in America? And why do so many people not do that? Every single time there's a zipper merge like this, two lanes merging into one, you'll see a massive long line of cars in one lane, and the open lane just stays open forever all the way up to the merge point. People do not use both lanes. And we're gonna look at why they do that and what we can do to stop that in the future. And it's gonna take a big change because this is a huge problem in America. Every single time this goes down from two lanes to one, this causes so many incidents of road rage, it's insane. And I really don't know why the state and the Department of Transportation don't try and fix this. So the first thing you might be asking is, why is it important to use both lanes up to the merge point? And there's one really big reason. People a lot of the times are so nearsighted, they don't even think about this. If you just line up in one lane, it's gonna go back way further than it should. It's gonna go twice as far back. And a lot of the times it will back up into the next intersection, causing a lot of problems in that intersection, making all the traffic problems much worse. So we really want to make sure you use both lanes just for the sake of taking up less space down the road. It blocks intersections if people are trying to turn here, and you could move all these cars into another lane. These people can turn out if they need to, or turn in if they need to, without having a whole bunch of traffic blocking them. Let me know what you think of the zipper merge. What can we do to fix it? What can we do to make it better, and why it's such a problem in the first place? The other thing that it stops is if these cars are already taking up both lanes, no one can cut. There's nothing to cut. There's no possible chance to cut anybody. You can either go in line behind this car, or you can go in line behind this car, and it's pretty much gonna be even, and it's gonna let the cars that came here first get out first. If you leave this lane wide open, it's just gonna let people cut in front of you. So don't leave this lane wide open. Use the extra lane, that's what it's there for. It doesn't close until here. They want you to wait until the merge point to merge. The problem is the signage is totally messed up. These signs here should let you know that you should stay in your lane until you get to the merge point, but they don't do that in Michigan especially. And I know most states they don't also. Instead of this sign here saying left lane closed, merge ahead, that makes people think they need to get over immediately because, uh-oh, the lanes is closing, I need to get over. And then this one usually has a big arrow pointing into merge. Instead of having those signs say that, what it should say is it shouldn't tell you which lane is closing. It should just say lanes merging, caution. That way you're not tempted to, hey, what lane do I need to get in? Do I need to jump over and get in this big line ahead, or do I need to cut in the other lane to cut in front of everybody? It shouldn't tell you which lane to be in. It should just give you a warning, a heads up, slow down, the lanes are gonna merge ahead. This sign here, what this should say is it should say merge here. Another option too is instead of it just saying lanes merging, slow down, it could also say stay in your lane. A lot of the times they'll start adding these to make sure people stay in the right lane, but that would be a big help. I don't even think they need to do that though, because one other really important thing that could change this a lot. I think eventually they're gonna figure this out and realize that this is the way to have these merge. Instead of going from two lanes to one of the single lanes, either the right lane or the left lane, what they need to do is they need to merge together into a new lane in the middle. And if you do that, no one feels like they're entitled to their lane. Hey, I'm in this lane. You have to be able to merge into my lane. It's not your lane. It's not anybody's lane. They're both losing their lane to make a new one. And then also changing the signs. Hey, caution, slow down, merge ahead. Zipper merge here at this point. That way it lets you know where you want to merge and what you're going to be doing. Then after you get into one single lane, then if they need to move it over for the construction, they can have you go over into the right or the left lane depending on where construction needs you to be. And so changing it from going into one of the lanes and going into a new single lane in the middle, it avoids that whole problem of who's blocking whose lane it was in the first place, where you're supposed to be going. I think that will stop a whole lot of the problems that we have with merging at zipper merges in construction zones specifically. Some of my favorite road rage techniques I've seen are the double lane hog, where they straddle the lane line, and when you go around them here, they jolt over. When you go back around them here, they jolt back over to block you. Those ones are great. I also like it when I'm driving down on the side here using the open lane like I'm supposed to, and somebody kind of gives you the little shimmy shake and the honk just to try and rattle you. And don't forget the guy who rides right on the bumper, so when you get up here, no matter what you do, you can't get over, because they're so close that if their foot even slips a minute, they're just gonna drive right into the guy in front of them. Those are my favorite.